If I lost everything today and had only $1,000, no contacts, no fancy office, no investors, how would I build a business from scratch? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I do it step by step, using the same logic successful founders use in 2025. Welcome to the Whack Room, your guide to practical money insights. The reality check. Most people think they need big money to start a business. They don't. According to US Small Business Administration, 42% of startups fail because they solve problems nobody cares about. This YouTube video explains it well. Step 1. Find a problem that pays. I'd start by hunting for pain, not passion. For example, a Dubai cafe owner who can't manage his social media posts, or a small fashion brand struggling with product photos. These are small but painful problems, and people pay to remove pain. Step 2. Pick a business model that scales cheap. From $1,000, I'd skip anything needing inventory or rent. Instead, I'd start with service-based models, digital product model, micro-commerce. Step 3. How I'd spend the $1,000. Every dollar must either validate or sell. That's it. No expensive office chairs, no business cards. Even Apple started on a wooden table. The biggest expense should be the tool that earns money, not the one that looks cool. Step 4. Launch fast and get feedback. Once ready, I'd launch imperfectly. Tell 10 people, then 50, then strangers online. Collect real feedback, tweak, repeat. Every no improves the product. Step 5. Reinvest profits to automate. If you make your first $100, don't celebrate, reinvest. The moment your money starts earning more money, that's business. $1,000 can become $5,000, then $20,000, but only if every dollar has a job. You don't need investors. You need a problem, a simple solution, and relentless testing. That's how I'd start a business with $1,000 today. Because $1,000 can run out fast. But the skills you gain from using it right will pay forever.